Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over our learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to understand the vocabulary associated with integers, the number system, and closure. How are we learning it? Through the Reasoning with Integers vocabulary flashcards and the Reasoning with Integers vocabulary quiz assignment. When can we use this? We could use the information in this lesson to assist with the vocabulary in the lessons of this unit. How do we know we learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the Reasoning with Integers vocabulary quiz assignment. Now let's go over our agenda for today. We'll begin by going over our learning goals and success criteria. And while we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. Then we'll take a couple minutes to go over the Reasoning with Integers study guide. After that, you'll be given time to go over the Reasoning with Integers vocabulary flashcards and complete your Reasoning with Integers vocabulary quiz. At the end of the period, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Before You Go. Your only homework for tonight is to begin working on your Reasoning with Integers study guide and continue working on any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's talk now about how to access Quizlet to view your vocabulary cards. So if you notice, there are flashcards here when you click on the link to go to Quizlet. If you notice, if you click on the card, it will give you the term. And if you click it again, it goes to the definition. So you can click this back and forth, and it keeps going back and forth between the definition and the term. Now, that being said, the issue that you'll have is it won't let you view all the cards unless you log in. So this is how you log in. I'm going to go here to where it says log in, and I'm going to click on log in with Google. It's going to ask me to sign in. I'm going to use my school email account, and you should already be logged into that because you've accessed this through Google Classroom. So we should be good. So now I should see my picture here in the corner that says that I'm logged in. And now I can go through and view all the flashcards. I can go through to the next one and continue to flip them over and see the definitions and the terms. So you'll go through this, and then once you're done going through these, you can go back to the Google form and fill out your vocab quiz. Let's talk now about how to complete the Reasoning with Integers vocabulary quiz. So if we look at the top of the page, we have our learning goals and success criteria here. Just below that, we see the questions that we need to answer. Now, once you've gone over your vocabulary already on Quizlet, you can go ahead and answer these questions. So it says, which of the following terms means any positive whole number? Well, we know that those are the natural numbers, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we move on to the next one. Which of the following terms means a whole number quantity that is the result of taking the square root of another whole number? Well, we call that a perfect square root, and so on. So you'll answer each of these questions. Once you get to the end, you'll go ahead and click Next. That will send you on to your Before You Go. Fill out your Before You Go, and then submit your work on Google Classroom.